buy from people and people work with people. And outside of our characters and our titles and our companies, at the end of the day, we're all just people. And that's exactly what a partnership is, right? It's a bunch of people getting together to go in a certain direction together. And I think events like this really give us the opportunity to see people without all the stuff in front of them, no cameras and computers and all of that. What we did today was we put a whole lot of things together, and then we got something really awesome out of it at the end.
We like to work with people, and we like to work with a certain type of people. I've said it before that LSD is a profit company, but it's not all about the money. For us, it really matters about who we work with. And when we work with Red Hat, we're aligned. Bruce said something along the lines of culture. I would almost say like core values. We think the same. It's kind of cool that the technology we use just happens to be great, but it's really the people that matter to us.